Hi friends, last class we studied about plum-pudding model, J.J. Thomson's model and Rutherford's model. Now today we are going to study in detail about Bohr's model. Before that, I'll just give you the explanation about the spectrum. So this atomic spectra, it is the branch of physics that deals with the studying of wavelength and intensity of EM radiation emitted or absorbed by atoms. So see, basically there are two types of spectrum. One is called emission spectrum and another is called as absorption spectrum. Now if the electron jumps from higher energy level to lower energy level, the light is emitted and that is called as emission spectra. So in case of emission spectra, the background is dark and you can see the discrete lines related to a particular wavelength, that is called as the emission spectrum. The absorption spectrum, when the electron jump from lower energy level to higher energy level, energy is absorbed. When the energy is absorbed, the background will be absorption spectra. In absorption spectra, the background is totally bright and there will be a dark lines because it is absorbing that particular wavelength of light. So the dark line will be seen in the bright background, that is the absorption spectra. So we have basically like these two types of spectrum. See, basically the emission of spectrum or absorption of light, that is like a fingerprint. Each person has their unique fingerprint. Like that, each gas has their own spectra. So when the atomic gas or a vapor is excited at low pressure, by passing the current through it emits the radiation which contains the specific wavelength, right? And this type of spectrum is called as emission spectrum. Now as you can see in this diagram, the diagram is of hydrogen spectrum, emission spectrum for hydrogen atom. The scientist called as Balmer, he was the first scientist who studied about the emission spectra of hydrogen atom. And what he observed is that the particular lines are seen, the particular wavelength, and he said this as Balmer series, and the longest